gonna be video and audio recorded at this moment, all right? Just for our safety.
Okay.
No problem. Here's my medical card. I gotta stop my all right, I am being pulled over by police department in Philadelphia, and they say the reason they pulled me over was because my trailer was empty and they didn't see any seals on the back, and that's a reason for pulling somebody over. As you can see, the police officer is back there. Car number is right there. They say they don't see too many trucks driving by with this route every day. Look at all these trucks around here. There's one coming down. There's tons of trucks on this road, and they say that's a reason for them to pull me over, because they don't see a lot of trucks in here. This is B Street, and I'm heading down to Allegheny, and I'm on the corner of Huntington Park and B Street, and they said the reason to pull me over, which is actually because I don't have a seal on the back of the trailer, and a seal on back of the trailer means that they could pull anybody over. That is not a probable cause to pull somebody over. So now they got my license, my insurance card, my registration. Now they're gonna find a reason to give me a ticket for some reason. I don't know what ticket, because the only reason he said he pulled me over was because he didn't see a seal on the back of the trailer. And it's not common to see a lot of tractor trailers on this route. This is a legal road for tractor trailers. It's a legal road for tractor trailers to travel through this road. Now they're gonna waste my time, and they're not gonna let me go for a while, I am sure, but I ain't moving this truck from here. That's it. You pull me over in this location, and this is where we're gonna stay. So I might put pause to this video because it might be a long video. So we will see. This is, like I said, I think the police number, the car number is 2524. And Officer Padilla is one of the officers, and the other officer I was not able. Officer Padilla and the other officer, it's American. He's a white boy, but I don't know his last name, so I'm gonna ask his card. So let's see if I can compose myself. I haven't been stopped in years. I mean, I'm talking about years and years. I mean, I don't know how long I lost count. When was the last time I got pulled over by a police officer? So here on the side of the road, and I shut off my truck because I don't know. We'll see. I'll put pause to this video for the moment. Here he comes.
Hey, William.
Yes, sir.
Question.
Yes,
Where
sir.
are you going to in Jersey?
Where am I going to in Jersey?
Yeah.
I'm going to Philadelphia.
Oh, okay, where in Philly are you going?
CSX.
Which is?
Intermodal.
Where are they located?
That's in, I couldn't tell you the address. CSX Intermodal. It's right near the bridge. Right next to Packard Terminal.
Oh.
Sir, I am a local driver, right? I don't drive far. I'm home every single day.
That's all I need to hear.
And by law, I don't have to provide you with any logbooks. That's the law. But I just drive locally. You know
that's
what
what I wanted to make sure that you're going local. That's what I was trying to
I am
find out
local
where you're
driver.
going.
This is a container. This comes out of CSX. It gets dropped in Cardone, and they empty it, and they send us there to pick it up. And we sometimes take loads there, drop them off, pick up an empty, go back. I'm going to CSX right now, and from CSX I'm going to Florence, New Jersey. And from Florence I'm coming back to CSX. From CSX I'm going to Berlin, and then from Berlin I go home. I live in Vineland, New Jersey. As you can see on the driver license, not far away. I'm a local driver. You know, that's...
Yeah, we're just doing our job, just like you're doing yours.
I understand.
And you also know that a lot of times trucks, especially trucks coming through here,
right,
are not here doing legit work. That's why, you know, we got to do our part.
I understand. Right. And I got family in the force, man. All right. So I understand your job. You know what I mean?
All right.
No problem.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, so now they say they're doing their job. That trucks don't come through here often, and I don't know what that means, bro. There's a truck right there. There's another truck right down the street. There's another one coming. They're checking my license, and this is a road that trucks travel every single day. I understand this is you know, we're living in the bad days. You know, I mean, the days are really bad, and now we innocent people, that workers, hard workers like us. I'm probably right now on my 9th hours, 10 hours of work already. I'm a hard working person, and here comes Philadelphia police pulling me over for no reason. No probable cause. He just said himself that he pulled me over because he didn't see a lock on the trailer. A seal on the trailer. Now they're looking at my license, asked me for all the papers, and then they say they don't see that many trucks travel through here. This is Philadelphia, man. B Street in Huntington Park. I'm heading towards Allegheny Avenue. Hundreds of trucks travel through here every single day. Hundreds. I've been traveling through this road for more than 25 years and have never been stopped on this very road. They're just looking for something to do, to see if I'm really sketchy or if I'm doing anything wrong. And I mean, I just quoted him the law. I'm a local driver and I am in my area. I don't have to provide him anything, any logbooks by law. That's it. I am not an over the road driver, and these people are just making me mad right now. So I'm gonna pause this again, and we'll catch you when the police officer comes back.
All right, well then here you go.
All right.
You have a good day.
All right, sir. Have a good one. Take care. Yeah, I'm good. All right, thank you. All right. They let me go. No reason. They let me go.